ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् Shloka number 69. You can repeat. Ya Nisha Sarvabhutana
या निशा सर्वभूतानां
Tasyam Jagarti Samyami
तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी
Yasyam Jagrati Bhutani
यस्यां जागर्ति भूतानि
Sa Nisha Pashyato Muneः
सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः
We have seen this shloka with the Bhashyam. Important shloka. Through this shloka, Bhagavan Krishna says that a jnani and an ajnani, both of them, they are totally opposite. Like the Diva and Ratri, like day and night, they are totally opposite. Why? Because what is like the Nisha to the Ajnani, to that Nisha, that is the Paramartha Tattvam, the Atma Tattvam, the Sanyami, this Sanyami, this Sthitaprajna is Jagarti, is awake. And with reference to that, that is Dvaita Prapancha, with reference to that, Sarvani Bhutani Jagrati, they are awake. That is Nisha. That is Nisha, that is like a night for the Jnani. That is the meaning of this shloka. And Bhashyakara elaborately commented on this shloka, taking the meaning of Nisha in the first line to be the Paramartha Tattvam, and the Nisha in the second line. Yasyam Nishayam Bhutani Jagrati. that is Dvaita Prapancha, or this Mithya Jagat, taking that to be the reality by the Ajnanis, that is like a night for the Muni. Iti, taking the meaning of the Nisha, Bhashyakara, he commented, and through this Bhashyam, he also dismissed Jnana Karma Samuchaya. So therefore, Atmavidaha, at the end he said, Atmavidaha Karmani Adhikaraha na asti iti siddham. For Atmavidaha, for the Jnani who knows the Atma Tattvam, for him, Karmani Adhikaraha nasti iti. Jnana nishtayam eva adhikaraha. The Bhashyakara, he concluded that the Jnani doesn't have adhikara in doing karma. Who has adhikara? This Ajnani. Why? Because for them only this Dvaita Prapancha is the reality, as what satta for them. For Jnani, he knows what satta is. So for them, karmani adhikaraha asti iti siddham. Then the next shloka we started. Before that, we will read from the Shankaranandiyam, and he also written a long bhashyam to it, a very long bhashyam. I will quickly read and give the essence of this bhashyam. Prachina karma phala anubhutyai punah punaha bhavanti jayante iti bhutani praninaha tesham sarvesham bhutanam siddhaprajna vyatiriktanam sarvabhutanam ya nisha bhavati tejaf parasyam devatayam ityadi shrutyukta ya paradevata sarva pramana gochara nirvishesha sattha matra swayam nisha iva bhavati. This bhutan is the beings, that is a praninaha, punah punaha bhavanti, again and again, jayante, they again they come, they born. Why? Because of the karma phala, prachina karma phala anubhutyai, prachina karma phala anubhutyai, for experiencing the karma phala, which are the prachina karma phala, the karma which have been earned for experiencing that. Bhutani punah punaha jayante, tesham sarvesham bhutanam. For those, all these bhutas, the pranis, sthitaprajna vitiriktanam, excepting the sthitaprajna, for them, sarvabhutanam, ya nisha bhavati, that which is nisha, what tejaf parasyam devatayam ityadi shutyukta. Tejaha parasyam devatayam, paradevata sarva pramana gochara nirvishesha satta matra swayam nisha iva bhavati. That nirvishesha paradevata, it means Brahma. That nirvishesha Brahma, that is nisha iva bhavati. For whom? For this prani who are born again and again because of the previous karma phala. For this prani, excepting the set of prajna. For them, this Brahma tattvam is nisha iva bhavati iti. Ya nisha nitaram sherate praniyaha yatra sa nisha tamistra ratrihi sarva vyapakatvena drishtehe praveshtam ashakyattvena sarva padarthanam swamatratva apadanena cha bhutanam manusyadinam vyavahartum ashakya bhavati तथा सा इयं परदेवता अपि सर्व व्यापकत्वादि धर्मैः सर्वभूतानां व्यवहर्तुं शक्यत्वात् निशा इति उच्यते. Nisha nitaram shete, nitaram sherate, shete, shayate, sherate, shing dhatu, sleeping. Ya Nisha, that is nitaram sherate, praninaha, pranis which are asleep. Ya Nisha, yatra, सा निशा तमिस्त्रा रात्रिः सर्वव्यापकत्वेन दृष्टेः प्रवेष्टुम् अशक्यत्वेन सर्वपदार्थानां स्वमात्रत्व अपादनेन च. In the ratri, that night, which is all in the night, the darkness which is pervading everything, in that darkness, drishte is drishti shabda, shashti vibhakti, drishti, the vision. Drishtege praveshtum ashakyattvena, it cannot enter it has the inability, ashakyattvena, inability, the status of being inability, entering the vision, what the sarva padarthanam, all the objects, sumatatva padanena cha, not able to, this all the objects not able to enter the vision. Why? Because the darkness is all pervading, therefore not able to recognize the objects. Bhutanam manushyarinam vivagartum ashakya bhavati. Therefore, the bhutas, the manushya, etc., they cannot do any vyavahara because it is darkness everywhere. Therefore, the knowledge of the padartha cannot enter, cannot come under the vision, the purview, the seeing of this bhuta, because it is darkness. So therefore, no vyavahara is possible. You cannot recognize the padartha, the objects, because it doesn't come under the purview of your vision. Similarly, tatha sayam paradevata api sarvavyapakatva idharmaihi sarvabhutanam vivagattam shakyatva tasha iti uchyate. Similarly, this paradevata, this Brahma, which is characterized by the, which is sarvavyapakatva idharmaihi, which is all pervading, that Brahma, with reference to that, this sarvabhutas, all the beings, cannot have vyavahara, cannot have the vyavahara, means cannot understand. Ashakyatva, they cannot recognize this Brahma which is all pervading. Therefore, Nisha iti uchyate. Therefore, it is Nisha. Sham sukam nitaram sukha rupatvat Nisha tasyam Nishayam atyanta sukha rupayam parasyam devatayam pare brahmani ananda ghane स्वयं अविद्या निद्रा प्रबुद्धः संयमी बहिः प्रवृत्ति निवृत्त सर्वेन्द्रियः ब्रह्मवित् एकः एव जागर्ति. That Nisha, Sham, Sukam, Nitaram Sukha Swarupatvat Nisha. Nitaram Sukha Rupatvat Nisha, that is the sleep, which is characterized by the Sukha Swarupa, the Anubhava of Sukham is that Tasya, Nishayam, Atyanta Sukha Rupaya, Paradevataya. Yeah, Nisha is this Atma Tattvam, Atyanta Sukha Rupayam, Parasyam Devatayam, Pare Brahmani, Ananda Ghane. This Paradevata, which is, that is Para Brahma, which is Ananda Ghana, it is one whole, this the consciousness. Swayam avidya nidra prabuddhaha. This Sayami, this Jnani, who has woken up from this avidya nidra, bhagif pravritti nivritta sarvendriyaha. His indriyas are bhagif pravritti nivritta. It has withdrawn from the pravritti, bhagif pravritti, and nivritta sarvendriyaha. The indriyas which are nivritta, restrained. For this person, Sayami, Sarvendriyaha, referring to the person, the Sayami, Brahmavit, the one who knows Brahma, he alone is awake. Having woken up from the Avidya Nidra, he alone is awake with reference to this Parasyam Devatayam, this Parabrahmani Anandakhane iti. Tatra eva aramati, kridati, anandati. In that alone, he rejoices, he plays, he is happy, anandati. Tadanye tu sherate. The remaining other bhutas, other beings, other people, they sleep to sherate. Sutta Vedantaha api nidrita iva tat swarupam kimapi na jananti ityartaha. Even Sutta Vedantaha, Sutaha Vedantaha yena saha te Sutta Vedantaha, the one who has written to the Vedanta, they are in Shravanam. They also nidrita iva tat swarupam kimapi na jananti. Like a sleeping person, they also don't know the swarupa of this najananti. So Shravanam alone is not important. It has to become Mananam and Nidhyasanam is, and that Nishta is for them only. For them only, they know the Swarupa of this Brahma. And therefore they are awake. Yasyam avidyayam drashtugo darshana drishyadi vedavatyam bhutani jagrati aham mama idam ishtam anishtam idam karyam idam akaryam iti vyavaharanti satu avidya dvaita bhumihi pashyataha drashtaram darshanam drishyam cha sarvam pratyak drishtya brahmaiva pashyataha munehe brahmanishtasya nisha bhavati. Yasyam avidyayam drashtuhu darshana drishyadi vedavatyam bhutani jagrati. This that in that avidya, with reference to this bhutas, they are awake. And that Dvaita Prapancha, with reference to this bhutas are awake, they are characterized by Drashtuhu, Darshana, Drishya, this Triputi, Vedavatyam, which has this three Triputi. Drashta is there, Darshanam is there, and Drishya is there. The seer, the seen, and the seeing, this Triputi Veda is there. This Bhutani, they are awake to the Dvaita Prapancha. And therefore, Agam Mama, Idam, Agam Mama, I and my, Idam Ishtam, Idam Anishtam, Idam Ishtam, this is desired, this I like, Idam Anishtam, this I don't like, Idam Karyam, this is to be done, Idam Akaryam, this should not be done, Iti Vyavaharanti, they interact like this. Satu avidya, that is avidya alone. Because ragadvesha is there, agam mama is there. So therefore tatu avidya eva, therefore dvaita bhumihi, that is dvaita alone. Pashyataha drashtaram, darshanam drishyam cha sarvam pratyak drishtya, brahma eva iti. That drashta, darshanam, drishyam, all the three, the seer, the seen, and the seeing, everything pratyak drishtya, by the brahma drishtya, atma drishtya, by jnana drishtya, brahma eva iti pashyataha munihidam, the muni, the jnani, who sees that for them, brahmanishtasya, this triputi veda, this dvaita prapancha, this dvaita bhumihi is nisha iva bhavati iti. Yatha nishayam praninaha na vyavaharanti, tata ayam avidya nishayam agam mama iti na vyavaharati. In the nisha, in the sleep, pranis do not interact, they do not act. Na vyavaharanti, there is no action for the prani in the nisha. Similarly, this ayam tata this avidya nishayam, in this avidya nisha, agam mama iti na vyavaharanti. Ke, this brahmanishta, they do not conduct themselves agam mama iti in this avidya nisha, in this nisha sleep of avidya ignorance. They do not vyavaharanti, they do not act. That is, they don't have this, they don't see dvaita prapancha, for them it is mithya, therefore na vyavaharati. Agam mama ityadi pratyahetunam anadi avidya vasananam nishesha vinashtatvena tad buddhehe brahmamayyaha praveshtum ashakyatvat atra agam mama idam iti prakritam eva vyavaharam na karoti. कुतः एवं लक्षणस्य अस्य विदुषः वैदिकव्यवहारः सिद्ध्यति इत्यर्थः. So agam mama iti, that pratyaya, that cognition, I and my, that is the hetu nam, that is the hetu for, that is the hetu nam anadi avidya vasananam. This avidya which has been there, anadi, beginningless, and that anad avidya is, which is the for, which is vidya is that for the hetu is agambama, that is prati hetu nam vidya nam avidya vasana nam nishesha minishtatvena, not leaving anything, completely destroying that. Nishesha vinashtatvena, that buddhi which has the status of, which is by which this avidya vasana are completely destroyed. Therefore, tad buddhehe brahmamayyaha buddhehe, in that to that buddhi praveshtam ashakyatvat, it cannot enter. What cannot enter? Agam mama idam iti, that agam mama iti, that pratyaya, that cognition, that cannot enter. Ashakyatvat. Therefore, agam mama idam iti prakritam eva vyavaharam na karoti. Therefore, there is no action, there is no vyavahara with this agam abuddhi, agam mama buddhi, because they have got Brahma buddhi. In that Brahma buddhi, by that Brahma buddhi, this avidya vasana were completely destroyed. Therefore, how can they do vyavahara with this agam buddhi, mama buddhi? The agam is one with Brahma, so therefore they cannot do any vyavahara. Vyavaharam na karoti. Kutaha evam lakshanasya vidushaha vaidika vyavaharaha. This is Laukika Vyavahara itself is not possible. What to talk about the Vaidika Vyavaharaha, Vidushaha for Jnanis, Vaidika Vyavaharaha, Kutaha Siddhyati. How is it possible? Not possible. Ityartaha. Yadva Adiki Bhagavo Brahma Vidyam Arishtam Ityadi Shruti Prasiddha Ya Brahma Vidya Sarvabhutanam Sarvesham Praninam Nisha Bhavati. Adihi Bhagavo. This is from the Kaivalya Upanishad quote. Yadva Adihi Bhagavo Brahma Vidya Marishtam Ityadi Shruti Prasiddha. It is Shruti Prasiddha Vakyam, that Vakya, that Brahma Vidya, for Brahma Vidya, that for all the Brahmanis, all the time, always, it is Nisha Bhavati. It is Nishayava, it is dark alone. Because they are not awake to this Jnanam, therefore it is dark alone. For the ignorant, it is always dark alone, Nisha alone. Swayam Chidakritya Surya Prabhavat Prakasha Rupapi Sudrishti Shunyanam Nisha Iva Bhavati Iti Nisha Iti Uchyate. Why it is called Nisha? Because this Swayam Chit Akritya, it is Chit Swarupa. Surya Prabhavat, like a Surya, Prakasha of the Surya, Prakasha Rupapi. It is shining like the Surya. That's a glory like that of a sun and shining. Sudrishti Shunyanam, Drishti is the vision. Sudrishti, clear vision. Absence of the clear vision. Those who don't have the clear vision of this fact, this Chit, this Atma, which is like a sun, like it has the glory like the sun shining. For them, they cannot see because they don't have the Sudrishti. They don't have the vision. They don't see that. Therefore, Nisha Bhavati. Nisha Iva Bhavati. Therefore, it is called Nisha. Nisha Iva Bhavati. Ataha Nisha iti uchyate. Yata Prasiddha Nisha Swakiya Tamashaktya Nama Rupa Bhedam Apasya Sarvam Vastujatam Tamo Matram Kutva Swayam Eva Sarvatra Vijrumbate. Tata eva yesha Brahma Vidya Swakiya Chichaktya Nama Rupa Vedam Apokya Sarvam Drishya Jatam Chinmatam Krutva Swayam Eka eva Sarvatra Vijrumbate. This Nisha, which is out of its Tamas Shakti, it covers all the Nama Rupa, the difference between the difference between the objects, the nama rupa, sarvam vastu jatam tamo matram krutva swayameva sarvatra vijrimbate. The darkness alone vijrimbate. It alone vijrimbate. It alone remains when everywhere it is darkness. Then the objects cannot be recognized. The objects which are characterized by the difference in their nama and rupa, the differences cannot be recognized because sarvatra, the swayameva sarvatra vijrimbate, this nisha alone, sarvatra vijrimbate, nisha alone, everywhere it is vijrimbate sarvatra. It alone shines everywhere. Shining means it alone remains everywhere. Vijrimbate. Tatayeva Brahma Vidya Swakiya Chit Shaktya. Similarly, this Brahma Vidya, this Brahma, which is this consciousness, Swakiya Chit Shaktya, that is Chit Shakti, that consciousness, it Namarupa Vedam Apogya Sarvam Drishyajatam Chinmatram Krutva Swayam Eka Eva Sarvatra Vijrimbatre. It alone resolving all the differences between the objects, the Namarupa, the differences, resolving all the differences, it alone remains Vijrimbate. It alone remains like in the darkness. The differences are not recognized because of the darkness. Similarly, here in this jnanam, all the differences between the objects, they are apogya, they are resolved, they are consumed, they are consumed. And Vijrimbate, the Brahma alone, it appears. Brahma alone appears. All the differences are resolved, and Sarvam Drishyajatam Chinmatram Krutva. With the Chinmatram Krutva, everything is Chit. Chinmatram Krutva, that because of the vision, everything is the Brahma. Therefore, Swayameva, it alone appears Sarvatra, everywhere. Like the darkness alone appears everywhere. In the darkness, the objects, the differences between the objects are not recognized. Similarly, in this Brahma Vidya, Brahma Jnanam, which is Chinmatram, Chit consciousness, Swayameva Sarvatra Vijrimbate, it alone appears everywhere. In that, the differences, all the differences are resolved. There is no Dvaita, there is only Advaita, because it is Chit alone, it is Brahma alone. Yata Nishayam Iva Ajnaha Tajnyascha Sarve Trayavasthan Rupan Swapnan Pashyantaha Sherate Tasyam Brahma Vidyayam Sanyami Bhagih Pravritti Shunyaha Taprajnaha Brahmavit Ekaha Eva Jagrati. Yasya Yatra Nishayam Iva Ajnaha Tajnyata Sarve Trayavasthana Rupan Swapnan Pashyantaha. This Ajnani and Tat Nyascha, all the people, this Ajnani, they are this three avastha. Sarve, all the people, Trevasthana Rupan Swapnan Pashyantaha Sherate. Dreaming in the sleep, having all the states of experience, Sherate, they sleep. They sleep with reference to this, the reality. Tasyam Brahma Vidyayam, with reference to that, is Sanyami, this Chitaprajna, Bhagif Pravritti Shunyaha, it doesn't have Pravritti, external Pravritti, Bhagif Pravritti Shunyaha, there is no Pravritti, there is no action, Bhagif Pravritti Shunyaha, Chitaprajnaha, Bhagif Pravritti, for Pravritti required Dvaita Buddhi, when Dvaitam itself, the Dvaita not there, when he has the Jnanam, Advaita Jnanam. Therefore, where is Pravritti? Therefore, Pravritti Shunyaha. What Pravritti Shunyaha? Bhagif Pravritti Shunyaha. Vichata Prajnaha, for him, Brahmavit, Brahmajnani, Eva Jagrati, he alone is aware with reference to this this avastha, that is this avastha, the Trevasthana Rupan Suptan Pashyantaha Sherate. With reference to that, this Sanyami, this Brahmavit, this Jnani is awake. They see all the three avastha, they undergo all the three states of experience. This Ajnanis and all the people, other than this Sataprajna Vitaritanam, Sarvesham, for them, they are Sherate, they sleep. They sleep with regard to this knowledge, whereas Jnani is awake. And therefore, there is no pravritti. For pravritti, dvaitam is required. There is no dvaita prapancha for Jnani. Therefore, bhagi pravritti shunyaha, tutta prajnaha, brahmavid, eva jagrati alone is awake. Atma ratihi, Atma kridaha, Atma mitunaha, Atma jyotihi, Atmanandaha bhutva, sarvada aste. So, Atma ratihi, he revels in Atma, Atma kridaha, he sports, he plays in Atma, Atma mitunaha, he has oneness with this Atma. Atma Jyotihi, this the light of consciousness, Atmanandaha Bhutva, becoming Atmanandaha, identifying himself with Atma Swarupa, Ananda Swarupa, Bhutva, Sarvada Aste. He remains always like that, being one with Atma, Atmanandaha Bhutva. Atma is Anandaha. So being Atma, being Ananda Swarupa, being recognizing oneself to be that Atma, that Ananda Swarupa, Bhutva, Sarvada Aste, remains all the time. Yasyam avidyayam sarvani bhutani jagrati tvam agam idam adaha iti vyavaharanti satu avidya dvaita avastha. Pashyataha drashtaram darshanam drishyam cha sarvam mitya eva iti pashyataha brahmavidaha nisha bhavati. Yasyam avidyayam sarvani bhutani jagrati. In that avidya, all the bhutas are awake. With reference to that avidya, all the bhutas are awake. Bhutas are awake to the avidya. Therefore, tvam agam idam adaha iti. You, me, this and that iti vyavaharanti. They interact. They do vyavahara, that is avidya eva, that is avidya alone, that is dvaita avastha. Whereas this Muni, drashtaram darshanam drishyam cha sarva mitya iti pashyataha. The word pashyataha in the shloka, it says, explain that. This Triputi, drashta, drashtra, darshana, drishya, all these three is mitya iti yaha pashya, iti pashyataha munihi. For him, this is avidya alone. That is, this dvaita avastha is nisha iva bhavati. This dvaita avastha is nisha. Yatha praninam brahma vidya nisha, tata brahma vidya api avidya nisha. Brahma vidya, as brahma vidya, this knowledge of Brahma, this advaitam is nisha, like a darkness for the prani. Similarly, for brahma vidya, this avidya, the ignorance is like darkness. This ignorance is like darkness. Brahma vidyaya brahma eva ahamiti swam anandaikarasam paripurnam vishayikartum yatha eva ajnaha na shaknoti tata eva ayam brahmavidaha api brahmavit avidya avidyaya agamama idamiti degendriyadikam vishayikartum na shaknoti ityartaha. By the Brahma Vidya, Aham Brahma Asmi, and Aham Atma Ananda Ekarasam, I am that consciousness, that one whole consciousness, Paripurnam Vishayi Kartam, to know completely, clearly knowing this becomes the Vishaya for this. If this becomes the Vishaya, as this cannot become the Vishaya for the Ajnanis, Ajnaha na Shaknuvanti. This cannot be the vision of the Ajnanis. What cannot become the Vishaya of the Ajnani? This Brahma Vidya, that is Agam Brahma, Agam Ananda Ekarasam iti, that cannot be the Vishaya for Ajnani. Similarly, for Brahma Vidya also, by Avidya, agam mama idam iti degendriyadikam vishayikartum. Similarly, they cannot have this avidya, which is characterized by agam mama iti. Degendriyadikam vishayikartum. This dekhabhimanam kartum na shaknoti. They cannot have the identification or this body, etc., body senses, etc. They cannot become the object for their cognition. Body is there, but they know that is mithya iti. Not that it is satyam iti. Na shaknoti. It is not possible for them to give the satta to the dehendriyadikam. Na shaknoti. Yata, as the ajnanis, for them, this Brahma Vidya cannot become the Vishaya. Similarly, for this Atmajnani, this Mithya, Dehendriyadikam, and Aham Mama Idam Iti, these cannot become the Vishaya. And they cannot do it because they have knowledge. Therefore, na shaknoti ityartaha. Tataha eva asya laukike vaidike cha karmani anadhikaraha yogya abhava. Therefore, only for them, for this jnani, laukika vaidika karma, with reference to this laukika vaidika karma, adhikaraha, they don't have adhikara. Why? Because they don't have the yogyatvam. They are not qualified to do the karma because they have knowledge. Therefore, they cannot do karma. Yogya abhava. Who? This jnani. There is no karma possible for them. Lokika karma or Vedika karma. Iti. Yasya deha tadashrita varnajatyadau abhimanaha phalartitvam mama idam kartavyam idam na kartavyam iti kriyasu gunadosha darshanam cha vidyate tasyeva karmani yogyata drishyate natu ukta lakshana shunyasya. The one who has the deha abhimana, deha tad ashrita varna jatyadau abhimanaha, the one who has got abhimana with deha, and therefore based on deha, this varna, jati, all those abhimanas are there, and those who have the palartitvam, who seek the result of action, they have desire, therefore they do action, therefore they are the seekers of the result of action. And mama idam this is mine, kartavyam idam, this should be done, na kartavyam, this it should not be done. Iti, in the action, guna dosha darshanam cha vidyate. In the action there is guna, the one who sees the guna dosha, the one who sees the guna dosha, the value and the defects in the action, for him only karmani yogyata drishyate. For him only there is a yogyata in doing the karma, not for this jnani, because for him the Tripati Veda itself is not the Akam Karta, Akam Bhakta, Mama Idam, Kartavyam Idam, it is not there, and he is not a Palarthi. And Deha Abhimana is not there. Therefore, Deha Ashita, Varna Jatya, the Abhimana are not there. Therefore, where is Guna Dosha Darshanam? How can he see the Guna or the Dosha in the Karma? Therefore, Ukta Lakshanasya Tata Prajnasya Karmani Yogyata na Drishyate na Bhavati iti. Na hi nitya nirantara samadhi nishtaya niruda vijnana balena avidyam tat karyam cha adhyasadikam nirmulya brahmatadatmyam apadya brahmayeva aham iti sarvada brahmanyeva tatatmana nishtataha vidushaha punaha shariratadatmya apattihi tatra agamama iti abhimanascha sambhavati na sambhavati. Nahi is the beginning to be connected. Na sambhavati, not possible. What not possible? Nitya nirantara samadhi nishtaya niruda vijnana balena avidyam tat karyam cha adhyasadikam nirmulya. By the nishta in the samadhi. What samadhi? The Brahma nishta. This nitya nirantara samadhi nishtaya. That is by this Brahmanishta, This knowledge is steady. Knowledge is steady. What in this Brahma, which is Nitya, which is Nirantara, and therefore Niruda Vijnana Balena is Vijnana. This knowledge, it is Nirudaha, Nishchayena Rudaha. This knowledge, which is there Arudaha, they have climbed up Arudaha. In Gita itself, the one uses the word Arudaha, Yoga Arudaha. So, Nirudaha, this Jnanam which has become clear, and therefore by the force of this Jnanam, Avidyam Tatkaryam cha Adhyasadikam Nirmulya. This Avidya and the Karya of Avidya, what is that? Adhyasa, Adhyasadikam, etc. Everything Nirmulya, completely rooting out. Brahma Dadatmam Apadya, Brahma Eva Ahamiti, Sarvada Brahmani Tadatma Tishtata Vidushaha. Brahma Dadatmam, becoming one with Brahma, that is recognizing oneself to be Brahma. Aham Brahma Eva iti, Sarvada Brahmani Eva, always remaining in that knowledge alone. Tishtataha, the one who remains. Who is that? Vidushaha, Vidusha, the Jnani. Punaha Sharira Dadatmam Apattihi. Again, this Sharira Dadatmam, this Sharira Dadatmam, the Sharira Abhimana Apatti, Tatra Agamama iti Abhimanaha, Nasambhavati. This Sharira Abhimanam, and therefore I and my, that Abhimana is not possible for this Jnani. Once this Jnanam, by that Jnanam, when they destroyed the Avidya and the Avidya Karyam, how can again they have the Sharira Abhimanam and therefore Agam Mama Giti? It is not possible. Tasambhavati, it is not possible. Tat Asambhave. When that is not possible, Tatra Aropita Varna Jatyadi Abhimanaha Pina Siddhyati. When that is not possible, and that Sharira Abhimana only Aropitam, superimposed, what this Varna Jati, etc., all the Abhimana which is superimposed, that is also not possible. Na Siddhyati. Tat Asiddhau Sarva Mityatva Darshinaha Palabhisandhi Asiddhehe Palabhisandhi Asiddhehe Kriyasu Gunadosha Darshana Asiddhesha. When that is not possible, what is not possible? Sharira Abhimana possible. And this Jnani, who is Mityatva, Sarva Mityatva Darshinaha, this Jnani who has a vision that everything is this, there is no everything. It is this Dvaita Prapancha is Mithya. The Mityatva Darshanam, the one who has, and is not attached to the Karma Pala. So Palabhisandhi Asiddhehe, therefore, Kriyasu Guna Doshana Asiddhe, therefore he cannot see the Guna Dosha in the Kriya also, because he doesn't have the Abhisandhanam with respect to the karma pala. Therefore, how can he see the Guna Dosha in karma? Therefore, that is also Asiddhehe, not possible. Asiddhehe cha. Satyevam na vidushaha karmani adhikaraha upayujyate. Evam sati. Satyevam means evam sati. If this being so, therefore, for the jnanis, karmani adhikaraha na upayujyate. It is not possible, it is not tenable, it is not possible for the jnani to have adhikara in karma. Sarva mityatva darshanasya pravrittescha paraspara viruddhatvat eka adhikaranatva anupapattehe vastunaha satyatva nischayadhi purvika pravrittihi kalpitatva nischayadhi mulakam mityatva jnanam tataha tayogo paraspara viruddhatvam eka adhikaranatvat anupapattischa. Sarva mityatva darshanasya, the one who has the darshanam, who clearly sees that who has this vision that there is no many, all this Dvaita Prapancha is mithya, sarva mithya iti, the darshanam, the vision, the one who has. So for that person, pravrittescha paraspara, one who has the vision, sarvam brahma iti, what is that everything is Brahma. So therefore, this Dvaita Prapancha doesn't exist for this Jnani. Dvaita Prapancha is mithya, the one who has the vision for him, and the pravritti. The pravritti is the action, the activity. So the knowledge and the activity. These two. Sarva Mityatva Darshanayasya, the Sarva Mityatva Darshanam is the knowledge. Knowledge and the pravritti, the action, both are paraspara viruddhatvat. Both are mutually opposite. Therefore, eka adhikaranatva anupapattage, it cannot have the same locus. It cannot have the same locus. Therefore, vastunaha satyatva nischaya di purvika pravrittihi. Number one, satyatva nischaya di purvika pravritti. The pravritti, which is the pravritti, is possible only when there is a clear understanding or clear ascertainment of the satyatvam. Satyatvam is there for the vastu. When the vastu gains the satyatvam, then only pravritti is possible. For the people who have the buddhi, the preceded by the buddhi with the clear understanding of that the vastus, the objects have got satyatvam, then only pravritti is possible. Brahmakalpita tattva nishchayadi mulakam mityatva jnanam. This mityatva jnanam, which is characterized by the buddhi, nishchaya buddhi, tattva nishchaya buddhi, by this buddhi which has got the clear understanding of the tattvam, and brahmakalpita tattva nishchayati, this mityatva jnanam, that is, one thing is pravritti. Pravritti is possible only when you give the satyatvam to the vastu. And when mityatva jnanam is there, the mityatva jnanam is characterized by this tattvam, it is brahma kalpita. Brahma kalpita tattvam, that is this kalpita, which is kalpita, imagined. Brahma kalpita tattva nischaya di pulakam mityatva jnanam, which is characterized by this nishchayadi, the clear understanding of the tattvam, everything is brahma kalpita, everything is false, mithya iti. That mityatva jnanam, between the two, tayoho paraspara viruddhatva, when between the two, pravritti requires satyatva buddhi for the objects, and when mityatva jnanam is there, then this satyatvam, it's all the satyatvam for the objects are brahmakalpitam. When tattva nischaya di is there, then the vastus which are being given the satyatvam, that is understood to be brahmakalpitam. Therefore, mityatva jnanam, between the two, they are paraspara viruddhatvam asti. They are mutually opposite. Therefore, eka adhikaranatvam anupapattischa. Therefore, it cannot have the same locus. Therefore, nanu karta karanam karyam cha sarva mithya iti vidisha karma kriyatam mityatvena kritam karma bandhayana bhavati iti ched na. Purvapakshi. Nanu, if it is so, what? Karta karanam karyam cha. Karta, the doer, karanam, the doing, and means of doing, and karyam, the action. Everything is mithya iti. Understanding everything to be mithya, let the vidush, let the jnani do the karma. Mithyatven, because it is mithya, therefore the karma which is done, it will not bind the person. Bandhayana bhavati iti chet. No, that is not. Why? Mithyatva jnanasya pravrittihi virodhat na idam. Mithyatva jnanasya pravrittihi. When Mithyatva jnanam is there, then how pravritti is possible? When the Dvaita Prapancha is understood to be mithya, that is Mithyatva jnanam, then pravritti, how pravritti is possible? Because they are paraspara virodhat, idam na sambhavati, na idam. Jalam kintu maruhu eva iti jalamityatva vedinaha trishitasyapi pravritti adarshanat kim utaha aropitam drishyam sarvam mithya eva iti. It is jalam, it is water. Kintu maruhu, what is that? It is mirage water. So jala mithyat vedinaha, the one who knows that jalam is not really jalam, it is maruhu, it is mirage water. Trishitasyapi, even though he is thirsty, there is no pravritti towards the Mithya Jalam. Pravritti Adarshanat. Why? Because he knows the Jalam is mirage water. The water is a mirage. It is not real water. Therefore, why should there be Vyavahara towards that? Therefore, Adarshanat kim uta aropitam drishyam sarvam mithya iti. Then where is kim aropitam sarvam drishyam? It is mithya. So when it is mithya, therefore pravritti is possible. Pravritti is not that. Even though trishitasyapi, even though he is thirsty, there is no pravritti with regard to the jalam, which is he understands that to be maruhu, mirage water. So therefore, तदधिष्ठानं ब्रह्म एव सर्वत्र पश्यतः प्रवृत्तिः अनुपपन्न इति यतः हि अविद्यावतः एव कर्मणि अधिकारः न तु विद्यावतः. So therefore, when Brahma is the adhishthanam, iti, the one who sees, therefore pravritti anupannaha, therefore pravritti is not possible. Therefore pravritti is possible for whom? Avidyavataha eva pravrittihi. Avidyavataha eva karmani adhikaraha. For ajnana is only adhikara is there for action, not for jnani. Vidyavataha karmani na adhikaraha asti iti. Vidyayaha avidya tat karya virodhitvat vidyavati brahma vidhi avidya tat karyam cha tejasi tamaha sakaryam statum na shaknoti. So vidyayaha avidya tat karyam virodhitvat. So vidya and avidya karyam, they are mutually opposite. Therefore, vidyavati brahma vidhi, in that person who has the vidya, who is the knower of the Brahma, avidya tat karyam, avidya and also the karya, the product of avidya, statum na shaknoti, it cannot remain, both cannot remain the same person. Tejasi tamaha sakaryam, tejasi brightness, tamaha darkness, both together cannot be present the same place or same person, same place, cannot be the same place. So similarly here, this avidya and this vidya and avidya karya statuna shaknoti, cannot remain in the same person because paraspara viruddhatvat. Yataha evam tataha vidhi vidhanam videyam vidata cha sarvam avidyakam mithya eva iti vijanataha brahmavidaha sadatpanat tushtim avasthitim vina na kinchit kartavyam asti iti siddham. Therefore yataha evam tataha, since this being so, therefore vidhi, that is the vidhi, the injunctions, vidhanam, and the doing, videyam, that which is to be videyam, vidata, vidhi, vidata, videyam, vidhanam. All, everything is avidyakam. Everything is avidya. Nitya iti, the one who knows. It is the one who knows. There is no rule. There is no rule. There is no vidhi. There is no nothing to be observed, and there is nothing to be achieved by the vidhi, and there is no vidata. So everything is mithya. So the one who knows everything to be mithya, tasya brahmavidaha. So what he can do? Tushtim avasthitam vina. Tushtim avasthitim vina, without remaining silent, without remaining quiet. It means without remaining with oneself. Na kichit karyam kartavyam asti. There is no kartavyam karyam asti. For him, there is nothing to be done without with the tushtim avasti vina. This avastha, this tushtim avastha, that remaining with himself, with atmanishta. Other than that, kinchit kartavyam nasti. There is nothing to be done for this person. Iti siddham. It is siddha. It is established. So akarmani, this jnanashtayam eva tasya adhikaraha atu karmani iti siddham. It is clearly established. Iti Shankaranyam says. It's a long commentary, but nicely presented. Now the next shloka you can read. We have read the Sangati in the last class. Anyway, we will read again. Vidushaha.
Vidushah.
Vidushah.
This is Shankara Bhashyam. Yaktaishanasya.
Tyaktaishanasya
Shanasya.
Prajnasya. Yateha eva moksha praptihi.
Yateha
Moksha praptihi.
Natu asanyasinaha.
Natu
Sanyasinah.
Kamakaminaha.
Kamakaminaha
Ityetam artam drishtantena.
Ityetam
Ityetam
Ashtena
Pratipadagishyan aha.
Aha
So Vidushaha Tyakta Yeshanasya Chita Prajnasya, that is Yatihi Moksha Praptihi Nato Asanyasinaha Kamakaminaha. That is this Moksha Prapti is Yateha eva Moksha Praptihi Bhavati. Moksha Prapti, the freedom from samsara, it is possible only for the yati. Yati means yatana shilaha yatihi. That is, yatihi means sannyasi, another meaning also is there, or yatana shilaha, that is sadhakaha. And here it means Siddha Prajnasya. It is Siddha Prajnasya, the one who has the prajna, sthitam in Brahma. And Vidushaha, therefore, Jnani, Vidushaha. Tyaktaishanasya. So Tyakta Yeshana, that Yeshana Trayam. Tyakta Yeshana Yena Saha, the one who has, or from whom, Tyakta Yeshana Yena Saha, from whom all these desires have gone away. Who is that? This Siddha Prajna. So preceded by that is desires have gone away from the person, preceded by that. Then this person who has got commitment to this jnanam and therefore is a brahmanishta, is a sadhaka, is a sannyasi. For him only the moksha praptihi eva bhavati. Moksha praptihi bhavati. That person alone have, for that person alone, this moksha prapti is possible. Moksha prapti bhavati. Nato asanyasinaha, not for the asanyasi, the one who is not a sannyasi. Sannyasi means here we have to take test. Sannyasi, not bhagi sannyasi, antara sannyasa, not bhagi sannyasa, antara sannyasi, and kama kaminaha, not for the person who has the desire kama, who has the desire kama for various objects and things. For him, moksha is not possible. Kama kaminaha, kamyate iti kamaha. So the desires. Kamam kamayitum. Kamam kamayitum shilam. The one who has the shila, the disposition for the gaining of different various objects. So for him, moksha praptihi na bhavati. Moksha praptihi is not possible. That moksha, the freedom, is not possible. Etad artham pratipadagishyan. Pratipadagishyan, to present, the desire to present. It's called pratipadagishyan. Pratipadagishyan, that sananta. That is pratipadagishyan, with a desire to, sorry, not sananta. Pratipadagishyan is future participle. It is pratipadagishyan is the future participle, that is shatru. The desire to present. The desire to present, Bhagavan says with a drishtanta, with an example. Bhagavan says. The previous shloka is also an example, and the next shloka, the coming shloka also is an example. The example, Bhagavan Krishna, he presents. He will present. That is, he is presenting now. You will read the shloka. Apuryamaramachala pratishtham
पूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठम्
समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत्
समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत्
तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे
तद्वत्कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे
स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी
न शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी
अपूर्यमानम् अचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रः आपः समुद्रम् आपूर्यमानम् अचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रम् आपः प्रविशन्ति. So आपः प्रविशन्ति क्रियापदं water, प्रविशन्ति enter, what enter आपः, आपः is नित्य बहुवचनम्. आपः प्रविशन्ति, कुत्र प्रविशन्ति, समुद्रं प्रविशन्ति, आपः समुद्रं प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् यथा, like this apa, the water entered the samudra, and samudra has got qualifiers here, adjectives. What? Apuryamanam achalam apratishtam. Sorry, apuryamanam achala pratishtam. Apuryamanam achala pratishtam. Apuryamanam. Puryamana is shanaj. Pur dhatu with ang upasarga. Karmani shanaj. Adjective to the samudram. The ocean which is completely Pur dhatu, purane, completely full, filled with what? Filled with water, apaha. The ocean which is completely full. Apuryamanam. Vidya vibhakti because samudram is Dvitiya. So apuryamanam, samudram. And achala pratishtam. There is no chala. There is no chala. There is no movement. The movement will be there when the action will be there only when desire is there. Therefore, since it is completely full, there is no chala, there is no movement, there is no disturbance. Achala pratishtam. Chala, achalataya pratishtam. That which remains without undergoing any change, unchanging. So remaining unchanging, achala pratishtam. Apuryamanam achala pratishtam samudram. This apaha pravishanti. Apaha pravishanti. Apuryamanam sampuryamanam, completely filled with water. Then achala pratishtam, it is stitam, dridhataya stitam. This samudra, yadvat yata, that is the drishtanta. That is a drishtanta. Similarly, tadvat pravishanti. Ke pravishanti kamaha. Kamaha means desires. Desires for the desire for the objects. You can take the kamaha to be the desire or kamaha to be the sense objects also. Sense objects pravishanti. Vishayaha pravishanti. Vishayaha or the kamaha. Because Vishyas enter through the sense organs. Sense organs do not have doors except eyes. Other sense organs do not have doors. So, when you do Vyavahara, sense objects will enter. Sense objects will enter. That is how Bhagavan has created. So, there is sense objects will enter or the desires will enter. Kamaha pravishanti. Kamaha also pravishanti, the desires. Desire enter into, we are talking about the prakyata jnani. What kama will enter the jnani? If at all kama enter, that kama is not for the sake of the fulfillment of oneself. The kama should be for lokasangraha or lokasangrahatam some kama, and therefore it does action. That karma pala anyway it is not going to be with with this person because it doesn't have kartrutvam. There is no, he is not a palarthi and therefore it's not a pala abhisanti. Therefore, even though the desires desires enter. The desire is only for the loka sangraha, for the well-being of the people. So you can take the meaning of the word kamaha to be the sense objects, or you can take the desires. So the sense objects, they enter the wise person. Yam pravishanti, yam referring to this jnani, this vidusha. So pravishanti, they enter. When they enter, what happens? When they enter, it should create a disturbance and agitation in the person, but it doesn't do. It doesn't create. Tadvat kamaha yam pravishanti. Sarve kamaha, all the kama yam pravishanti. Saha shantim apnoti. Saha shantim apnoti. Saha shanti. When the desires enter, when the sense objects enter, how can he gain shanti? He gains shanti means it continues to be in shanti. It continues to be shantaha. It continues to be shantaha. Is not disturbed by. Is not disturbed by the entry of the sense objects or the entry of this desires. He continues to be the same person, not agitated by this inflow of this desires or the kama. Whereas this is not possible for a kama kami. The sarve kamaha, this if it kamakaminam pravishanti chet, if it enters a person who has a desire for a sense object, then definitely it's going to create agitation in the person. It's going to create, whereas therefore in create agitation, therefore you will become ashanti, whereas this person who is already full, who is a jnani, all the desires may enter, but it will not create any wave. It will not create any disturbance in that person. So therefore, the one who is desire of sense object, he will not gain shanti by the entry of the desires, whereas for the one who has gained jnanam, for him, any amount of the entry of the desires, the sense object or the desires, that will not disturb his shanti. Shanti is peace. That is the meaning. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Apurya iti.
Apurya iti.
Apuryamanam adbihi achala pratishtam achalataya pratishta avastitihi.
Apuryamanan adbihi achala pratishtam achalataya
Pratishta
avastitihi. Avastitihi yasya tam achalam pratishtam.
Yasya tam
achalam pratishtam
Samudram apaha.
samudram
Samudram apaha
Sarvataha gataha.
sarvataha gataha
Gataha
Pravishanti.
pravishanti
Svatmastam avikriyam eva santam.
svatmastham vikriyam eva samtam
Yadvat.
yadvat
You have to keep on reading. It doesn't stop, but you can stop here. Yadvat. That is this adbighi apuryamanam. Adbighi is by the water. Apaha is nitya bhagavachanam. Adbighi is tritya bhakti ekavachanam. Udakaihi. So adbighi apuryamanam, filled with water, and achala pratishtam. Achalataya pratishta avastitihi. Avastitihi is the avastha, the condition. The condition which is, what is the condition? Pratishta avastitihi, remaining steady. Achalataya pratishta avastitihi. Yasya saha. Achalata pratishta avastitihi. Achala pratishta avastitihi. So the condition which is steady, not there is no chala, there is no change. Achalataya, that's the pratishta which is pratishta, the condition is which is not changing, unchanging, remaining steady, not changing, remaining unmoved, unchanged. So what is that? It is samudra. It is samudram tam achala pratishtam, that which remains unchanging, not moving. Samudram tam achala pratishtam samudram apaha water sarvataha gataha from all direction gataha pravishanti, they from all direction it enters. All direction, how many directions? It can enter from all the 4 directions, and also from the 4 plus the antara, the intermediate dasha, also other directions, and also from the sky in the form of rain. So the water can come from all the directions. Gataha pravishanti swatmastam avikriyam eva santam. This samudra swatmastam remains in its own nature. Stitaha, it is stitam in its own nature. It doesn't change its nature. Avikriyam, it doesn't change. It doesn't do any change because of the entry of this water. Avikriyam eva, remaining unchanging. Santam, being unchanging. Yadvat, just as the water remains unchanged because of the inflow, but just as the samudra remains unchanged because of the inflow of water from all directions. Tadvat, similarly, tadvat kamaha vishaya sannidhau api sarvataha ichha vishesha yam purusham samudram iva apaha avikurvantaha pravishanti.
Samudram iva
apaha
Similarly, kamaha desires. Icha visheshaha, the variety of desires. Vishaya sannidau api sarvataha icha visheshaha, all the varieties of desires. And vishaya sannidau api, even the vishaya, the objects, when they are closer, sannidau means they are near, they are closer. Therefore, sarvataha, from all directions. This icha visheshaha, that is the desires, variety of desires, the kamaha yam purusham pravishanti. Yam purusham pravishanti, the enters the one, the person. Samudram iva apaha avikurvantaha pravishanti. How does it enter? Like samudram apaha avikurvantaha pravishanti. The water enters the ocean without agitation, without agitating the ocean. Water cannot create any agitation by its entry. So avikurvantaha means not disturbing, not creating any agitation. Yata, not creating any agitation, disturbance. Apaha samudram pravishanti. Tadvat, all this icha visheshas, these kamas, desires, pravishanti, sarve pravishanti iti. The next line that we will read in the next class. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद जी.